Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I hope you all again have had an amazing day. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. So I haven't actually posted any videos in a couple of days. My RA was acting up a little bit and wasn't feeling the best, but doing much better now. So I need to catch up because I've got quite a few things to record. And yeah, so we're going to get to it, you guys. As you can see from the description, we do have a new subscription to unbox, open with you guys, and it is Solmate Socks. I am super excited to open this. This was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. They actually are a new subscription. They are through Cratejoy. It is $23.95 a month, and I think the idea behind this is so cute. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So it says, whimsical, eco-friendly, mismatched socks delivered to you monthly. Give your sock drawer a makeover. It says, let's see, treat your feet, a subscription for anyone who loves socks. Every month we send you at least one pair of high quality, colorful, mismatched socks. Plus we often include other little extras made with recycled cotton. Our multi-pattern, multicolored mismatched socks are a favorite of discerning sock lovers. And it is proudly made in the USA. They are from, they're designed in Oregon, made with care in North Carolina. I didn't even know that, you guys. I'm in North Carolina, yay! And they are loved everywhere. And it says eco-friendly, made using recycled cotton yarn, which is created by recovering pre-consumer waste, mostly t-shirt scraps. Extremely comfortable and mid-weight sock. And it says, that they are new to Cratejoy. The first 20 subscribers to our sockscription will get a free bonus pair of socks with the first shipment. So we are going to open this. I'm so excited. They look like they are going to be like super cozy socks. So I can't wait to get in here and see. So let's just open it up and take a look. But I did not say they are $23.95 a month. So open it. Okay. So this is what I pulled out. Let's see what we got here on top. There's a card with my name. So let me look at this. Okay, you guys, this card is cute. So it says Solmate Socks, and it says, life is too short for matching socks. That is cute. Okay, so this was just a personal thank you card. So that was super sweet. And let's see, we've got more stuff here. Sock of the Month Club. Everyone loves to get surprises in the mail. With our Sock of the Month Club, those wonderful surprises last month after month after month. Every month we'll send a different pair of our mismatched socks, adult crew cotton socks. You select the sock size and length of membership, and we'll handle the rest. Let's see. We ship out to Sock Club members around the 10th of each month. They should arrive by the 15th. They do also offer, this is awesome, Kid and Baby Sock of the Month Club. Let's see. So, okay, so they have where you can do monthly, like I said, for $23.95. Here they have for you can do a 3-month subscription for $65, 6-month for $125, or 9-month for $180, and it is the same for kids and babies. And they have very kindly here given me a coupon code, which is Southern Mom, and that will get you $10 off any Sock Club membership now through the 31st. So through December 31st, you could use code Southern Mom and you will get $10 off. So you could get 3 months for $55. So let's see what this is. One more. Okay, it says, this is a few things to note. It says, please cut the tags instead of pulling them off, as the socks are more delicate than regular socks. That could cause a hole in the socks. And it says, if you see a hair sticking out, which would be a random sock thread, don't cut it. This could also cause holes. Instead, pull the hair back in with a needle or safety pin. Since our socks are an artisanal product, there's a lot of handwork that is done in production. And sometimes things do get missed or they just come loose on their own. And it says, well, we obviously want you to pick socks to fit with your own social media vibe. We ask you don't alter the colors of the socks too much. It says, most importantly, have fun. We hope you enjoy our socks as much as we do and are super excited to this was for me. Sorry. This was to partner with you in an effort to bring joy to the world via Mismatched Socks. I don't know about you guys, but I live in North Carolina, obviously. So sorry, my clock is gonna chime. So I don't usually wear socks. I am a flip-flop girl, even when it's like 17 degrees outside, which does not happen often here. But looking at these in person, because I can see them right here, I was correct in that they look very cozy. And something about the idea of having super fun but yet cozy socks is awesome, because when I do wear socks, they typically are going to be fun and cozy, but I do always somehow lose one. I swear I have like a dryer monster that eats my socks. I don't know what happens. So I am super excited about these and I'm ready to share with you guys. So the first pair is super cute. These are all in size medium, which is for women a size 8 to 10 or men 7 to 9. So you can select the size of your sock. I think I did say that, but just to make sure. So here is the first. Look how cute it is, you guys. And then, so you see where the heel is white on this one and the toe is a dark gray. The one that goes with it. How cute! So they are similar, but they are a little different, which makes it so much fun. And they do look and they feel amazing. And they do look, you guys, like they are going to be so super comfy and cozy. I love that pair. This pair looks fun. There are she sent me 3 pairs. So this is the next pair. This is very, very colorful and pretty. And you see here, boop. Again, so they do kind of match, but they don't match exactly. So how cute, you guys. These are like so comfy. And if for some reason it is actually kind of getting cold, we had a little bout of warmer weather here. It had started to cool off and then we kind of had some warm weather come back, and then today it started getting cold again. So I will be probably putting a pair of these on not long after I finish doing these videos. These are so adorable. Okay, this is probably my favorite pair. You guys, look at this. These are so stinking cute. Like, they are just adorable, you guys. And like I said, they are so soft and cozy feeling. I cannot wait. Oh, I love it. I just think it's so cute. So I love this. I really think that this is super, super awesome. You know, like I said, they're the cozy socks to keep you warm, but it's kind of fun. And who knows, I may wear one of these and one of these. I may really mix it up. So I love the colors. And like I said, y'all, they are so, so soft. And I love that they're made in North Carolina. That's an added bonus. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, I will make sure to put that coupon code down below. Again, it is Southern Mom. It will get you $10 off any subscription. So I will go ahead and put that as well as a link to their Cratejoy site below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go get yourself some fun Mismatched socks, or if you know someone that loves socks, this would make a great Christmas gift. So everything will be down below. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.